In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in Microsoft Word 365. If you've ever wanted to add a creative touch to your documents, or just explore the drawing features available, you're in the right place. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step to ensure you can easily add visuals to your Word documents. Let's get started. First, head over to your web browser and navigate to the free Microsoft 365 online page. It's important to note that you'll need an internet connection and a Microsoft account to access these features. Once you are on the page, you'll see the option to sign in on the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't have an account, there should be an option to create one, which is straightforward, but for today we're assuming you already have one. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Office dashboard. Here you'll see a list of apps, but for our purposes, click on Word. Word Online offers almost all the same features you're accustomed to on the desktop version, including the ability to draw. Once Word opens up, you'll likely land on the Start page. You'll need to create or open a document to continue. If you're starting from scratch, choose the option to create a new document. Once inside your document, look for the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. This tab is where you find a range of options to enhance your document, from adding pictures to inserting tables. For our drawing exercise, you'll want to click on Insert. Now let's move on to the drawing tools. Under the Insert menu, there's an option labelled Drawing. Click this option and you'll be presented with a selection of drawing tools. These can include pens, highlighters, erasers and more, depending on your account's settings. This is a fantastic feature as it opens up a variety of creative options when working in Word. Utilizing these tools is quite simple. For instance, you might choose a pen tool to sketch freeform lines or a highlight tool to emphasize text visually. Don't hesitate to experiment with different colors and line thicknesses to find what suits your project best. The interface is designed to be intuitive, so you'll get the hang of it quickly. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to draw directly in Microsoft Word 365. Whether adding a personal touch to a letter or creating diagrams to enhance reports, these features expand the way you can share ideas. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you walk away ready to unleash your creativity in Word. Until next time, keep experimenting and happy drawing.